Good day. We are doing the but not symbol, which is backslash. Okay, quick little video. Make sure we're all good. So I'm stealing the sets from the previous page. So we got set A, we got set B. And we know that A intersection B intersection. Remember, intersection is kind of like the word and. Things that are common in both. And we did a video about union. That's everything. It's kind of like the or. But what about those elements in A that are not part of B? So if 2 and 6 are common, highlight them there. It's like, well, what about the ones I didn't color? So A, but not B. And on some worksheets and textbooks, they might have A minus B. What is an A, but not in B? That's going to be 4 and 8 and 10. Right, the ones I didn't color. And B, but not A, is going to be 1, 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Oh, okay. It does have different. I was internally freaking out that I only had 3 elements there and 4 there, but that's okay. Okay. So it's the ones that aren't common to both. So unlike the union or intersection, order doesn't matter. You can see here because the answer here and the answer here are not the same. All right. So turn off your video. Pause your video, however you want to do it, and do these ones for me, please. All right, let's look at C, but not D. I'm not sure how I want to do this. Let's see. I may regret doing this. If I look at C and D, they both have 2s. They both have 4s. Okay, so I made it pretty easy there. So by marking the common elements, C but not D becomes really easy. So it's 1, 3, and 5. Are in this set, but not over there. Now we know we need D, but not E. What's in D? Oh, well, okay. That's kind of weird. I'm trying to trick you, right? So set D is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And we want to know what's in here, but not well, everything, because these two don't have anything in common. So 2, 4, 6, 10. Whoops, my bracket got weird. So what's in here, but not there? All right. Now how about E and C? So there's E, there's C. All right, they both have 1s. They both have 3, yes. 5, yes. Okay, so this one, but not there, is going to be 7, 9. I know, I might regret this. I get different color markers, so they both have 1s. I'm just redoing the question. They both have 3s. Both have 5s. And then it's these leftovers. Oh, then we got to go with a number in D, but not C. All right. You know what? I'm going to do this first. So I want set D, but not this one. Oh, okay. So I already, the green ones here are the ones that are in common. So my actual set is 8 and 10. but that's not what the question is asking me. It's asking me the number, so the answer there is 2. No, you didn't have to do that, but it's easier for me to explain. So sometimes when you get these ones where they ask for the number of elements, it's easier to just do that first, then do the counting rather than trying to count and figure it out all at the same time. All right. So we had this as overlap, disjoint, and subset. Maybe a good idea right now is grab your pencil and do the shading overlay, and then we can double check together. Pause the camera and do the work. Right, now we want A, but not B. So there's circle A, except you don't get to have that middle part. You don't get to do it completely because this part in the middle is contains B. Here, do it a different way. Nope, I'll draw it up here. So if I took my marker and I colored all of A, this is the great chapter for those of you that have a set of highlighters and you really like using them. Tell the difference there. This is basically saying, I want green only, not green and blue, not blue, just green only. Okay. Oh, disjoint is easy. There's A. And there's nothing in A that overlaps with that, so we're fine. Now on this one, think of it kind of in terms of this picture. I want A, so that's going to be this part. But we're not going to include B. So if I do it with my color in all of A. And I make B blue. I want the part that's green only. Or A only. All right, now B but not A. The first two are easy. The second one, the third one, sorry, third one is going to be tricky. So B but not A. Here's B, but not including that center part. There we go. That was super easy. I mean, it's just the opposite of that one. And the same thing here. And this one is the trick. There is no B, but not A, because there's no part of this. If we go back to our color diagram, I wish I'd used 2 different colors besides blue and green. But remember this, the center part is blue and green. There's no part in this picture that's just blue. That's what we're looking for, just blue. So in a way, it's a little bit like this one from the last lesson where we were looking for, we're looking for the intersection. Now this one doesn't have any intersection at all because there's no overlap. Well, this one, doesn't have B but not A, because there's no spot that's just going to be, this will be blue only. Or just B. It doesn't work. It'd be like, this is people that live in Saskatchewan. These are people that live in Regina. You can't live in Regina and say, well, no, I don't live in Saskatchewan. That doesn't, no. It's just like it's a subset. So anyway, that is the end of this lesson. I hope you have a marvelous day. And if you have questions, feel free to email me, talk to me. Let's figure it out.